There's an apartment in New York that's been rented for 15 years by the same name.
Except the tenant died in 2010.
The payments still go through. Automatic, perfect timing every month.
Neighbors say no one's ever seen anyone go in or out. Not once.
But the weirdest part, every night at 2 a.m. lights flicker on for exactly 11 minutes.
No sound, no movement. Just that same pale yellow glow through the blinds.
The new owner tried to take the place last year. Changed the locks, repainted everything.
2 weeks later, the old furniture was back. The same layout, same dent on the wall.
The city records still list the tenant as active.
And the billing address traces to a bank account that hasn't been touched since the day he died.
So if no one's living there, who's paying the rent?